What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we've got pretty much 3 open top concept vehicles. I've definitely experienced the JL. We did that as soon as we bought that thing. I used to have my old JK, so I've experienced this, a JK with no, no top, no doors. But I haven't experienced the Bronco. We're gonna leave the doors on, but it's gonna be the first time taking the top off of this thing. I will also say I've got 2 surprises coming for this Bronco, and one of them might happen to be right here. You'll see those very soon. Those are actually gonna show up tomorrow. This is gonna get worked on, that's gonna get worked on. We gotta start the Jeep because I said as soon as spring actually hits, like we got a teaser spring here right now. Doors off vehicle, they are so fun to drive and just in that kind of weather. So I'm excited for that. But let's get this top off, but there's no roll bars, so this should be interesting. All right, guys, so this is similar to a Wrangler. You've got the you've got one of these pop latches here. You've got the turn here. This is actually very tight. I feel it's almost tighter than the Wrangler. 3 on this side, looks like the same on the other. Boom. Just like that, that's cake. That's nice and simple. Wow. Alright, guys, you really don't know how dark like 0% is till you take the top off and you realize it's like black. That's crazy. Same thing with the 30 on the windshield. But wow, this is neat. Let's actually start this. I want to roll these down. And you get the full concept. It actually, whenever we get these doors off, that's a lot. This is weird. This is so weird. But oh, it's gonna be sick, like lifted and all done. Oh, I'm excited. I think that's actually the first time I actually rolled these windows down to drive with too. Return to sport, yeah. Our 2021 Bronco. Like I said, now's the time. Obviously, you just saw the last video, pink truck. I literally just ended that, and we're starting this one right now. But we're gonna start picking up here because a lot of stuff can actually finally get done. I just want to get as much done with that pink truck as possible, so as other parts come in, we could tackle what's needed. But starting on some of the new things here, like this Bronco. This will be at SEMA this fall, which is crazy, and what that means is this is base of base. It's stock. There's nothing to it. We're gonna spice it up. You already know that. We've got some special stuff here and on the way for this already, and one of the things that finally arrived, which is probably the thing we'll need last, but it's here first. The wheels are here for the Bronco. Obviously, you guys know we're doing the 7-inch Beltec lift on this, so this thing's gonna be massive. So we had to put, we had to pair some nice wheels with it. So guys, I'm probably gonna make a lot of people very upset with this one because the internet now you guys will, seeing these, you'll understand why I got a Jeep and why I got the Bronco. Everyone who builds these SUVs builds them as Jeeps and Broncos and rock crawls them, bounces them off rocks, all that. That's what they do. That's not what I do. I want to do that this summer, but not with these super nice vehicles. But we're gonna take a nice vehicle and make it even nicer with these. Like I said, I might make some people angry, but here we have some 24 by 14 Liberty forged wheels. Yes. This is one of the main reasons this is going to SEMA, is to showcase these wheels. Now, as you guys know, there's a lot of forged wheel options on the market. Liberty forged, you're coming in at a competitive price and like top-notch quality. I'll just have to show you guys. And guys, count the boxes. There are 5. So yes, that's right. A vehicle with 5 visible wheels and tires will have 5 visible wheels and tires. This is crazy. I'm really excited about this, and Some of you are gonna hate, but hopefully some of you are gonna be like, oh man. But here we go. Before I show you these, I'm gonna include some clips of these being cut. I asked the guys over at Liberty Forge to include some content of them being cut, just so you guys can see the process from start to finish and them getting here. I'm already like, I can see it through here. Ooh. Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh sheesh. Oh man, yeah. Oh, and they spin. Oh my god. Yo. First of all, I don't even want to touch these. This is like my first set of like true polished wheels. Like the green truck, obviously they were powder coated over. And then on the pink truck, those are just polished cast and then clear coated. But I'm gonna figure out some ways to make my life easier with these. I don't know if I ceramic coat them, I don't know. But wow. The milling and just detail on these wheels are absolutely nuts. All the cuts are clean. Everything looks beyond sharp. Oh man. A lot of people just kind of go to one main brand of like forged wheels, and one, the styles, you seen them. You see them on every last truck. Two, this right here, comparable pricing. And definitely better quality. I'm really excited to get these on the Bronco, and I may even just have to like mock one up just to see, because these are gonna look so sharp. That's gonna look just... What? That's gonna look gnarly. That's gonna look so good. I don't care what any of you say. That's gonna look good. And that awful white color, yeah, that's leaving. So don't even put the polish with the white. Completely different color. Those wheels. Pew. Guys, ain't it a shame? Like I remember back in the day, 20s, huge. 22s, huge. 24s, unheard of. These are stock 16s. And these are 24s. And it's like almost like that looks stock. Like that's what's crazy nowadays. Like even though this came base of base with 16s, that looks like a stock size, but on this Bronco, it's gonna look absolutely ridiculous. Now, I'm playing both sides here. I know some of you are gonna be like, you can't off-road that. Wait till you see the size tires we're putting on this. There'll definitely be enough meat to do so. So, are we going to? Probably not with wheels like this, but you'll still get like a half and half look. Trust me. Trust me with this one. And we also got a box here with like a Liberty Forged hat and some shirts, but I am definitely covered in grease from doing the starter on my truck. So I'm not gonna touch those right now, but they're Liberty Forged hats and shirts as well. That's pretty sick. And guys, at the beginning of this video, I definitely said we had a surprise for right here. And we do, and I'm gonna show you that in a second. But like I said, guys, one thing with getting the sport and doing this, especially on a new platform, is a lot of this is going to be a learning process for most. Obviously, in the base model Bronco, you cannot get the LED head. But wait, you can't, but you can. Let's go inside. I'm gonna show you something pretty sweet, and I'm gonna get you excited for the next video. Well, first things first, as you guys can see, construction is complete, really. I just need to order a latch for our door to check our parts, and a latch to secure the doors shut. But our powder coating oven is done. Turbo heater in the back, and then just pretty much an enclosed room. So we're gonna be able to powder coat the lift kit for not only the Bronco, but the Wrangler and everything, and whatever replaces the green truck here shortly. A lot of you are gonna be like, huh? How? Exactly. We picked up a set of OEM LED headlights. Now some of you are gonna be like, where'd you get them? How'd you get them? All this stuff. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's quite difficult. It's quite difficult to find two pretty much brand new headlights, and that's what this was. No scuffs or scratches. I mean, I'm talking like legitimate scratches on the lens, like gouges and stuff. It's hard to find a perfect set. And if you go to the dealership right now, I've tried to ask for simple parts, and nothing's in the system, nothing, yeah. So we were lucky to get our hands on a set of these, but I'm gonna show you how to install them on any model Bronco. So you're gonna be able to have the upgraded LED package for like not OEM cost, or even built into a package you can't put them on. Trying to see how we can get them open, because I have a feeling, I think this needs to go. So what I might do is actually open up the ones I have on the Bronco, get this sent out, make a couple clear ones, and switch it out so we got an all clean front end look. I think that's my goal. But I just want to get you guys excited for the next video. We will be installing these, and like I said, now all the builds, now the weather's getting nicer, spring's coming out, all the builds you guys have been anticipating are gonna get started, and we're not gonna stop, because if I can't work on one, I'm gonna work on another. So guys, if you're ready or beyond ready to see this thing like mammoth height, 7 inches on this thing is gonna be like, I mean, this handle here plus the tires, like, yeah, it's gonna be like neck level, and it's gonna be crazy. So if you guys are ready for that, smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the wheels. I know it's not going to be a lot of your taste for what this is, but that's my goal in this, is to make one of the cleanest Broncos to date. Honestly, because everything I saw at SEMA, everything I see now, all of it, honestly, I'm just not all that impressed. And it's all the same stuff, like all the same off-roady 17-inch beadlock look, and that's cool, but like, welcome to like my side of things, like the thank you American Airlines. Which is absolutely fine. The off-road look is pretty sweet, and I do want to do that one day, because like literally off-roading, mudding, the whole trails, all that, it's really fun. But for what I do, I daily drive and make cool, awesome looking builds. So that's why we went with 24x14 on this build. So yeah guys, please don't be disappointed I didn't do that, you know, the beadlock look. We'll get there one day. But as for the Jeep and as for this Bronco, they are going to be hand in hand, clean build for clean build, and they are going to be absolute showstoppers. Jeep, I'm going to try and get completed for Jeep Beach in about 50 so days, 40 to 50 days, somewhere in there. I'm going to try and get the Jeep done for that, which is very, very doable. So that's the plan on that. We're going to get started working on that. We're going to get started working on this. And all the other stuff you see, especially back here, a lot of it is gonna get started, and like I said, you're gonna see content rolling. This channel is gonna be a channel of builds that you can't find on other channels, you can't see anywhere else. Original ideas and more. Like I said, just wait till we finish that pink truck. Your guys' mind is gonna blow. All right guys, well, it's getting cold. I'm gonna close up. I'm gonna go home for tonight, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.